look at fourth question, fourth part, okay, from exercise 2.3. So 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. Okay, now what we have to do? Variable terms transfer on the left hand side. So it will become 4z plus 2 will change into minus 2 minus 2z and equal to 6 as it is right hand side. Now what? Plus 3 will transfer on right hand side. It will become minus 3. So minus 3 like this. Okay. Now next one is 4z minus 2z. What you will get? 2z. Okay. And equal to 6 minus 3. You will get 3. Now what? Z is in the form of multiplication, 2 is in the form of multiplication. So we have to change 2 on denominator. So it will become z equal to 3 upon 2. Now can we divide 3 upon 2? Can we cut? Can we cancel? No. So you can write the number like 3 upon 2. Also you can change, if you want to change the number into mixed fraction, you can. Okay. It's like this one, and you know you have already studied about how to change fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, so this is the answer. Z equal to 3 by 2 is in the answer of fourth question.